to find a sofa that was minimalist and once again modern, but I also wanted it to be comfortable, as it wasn't going to be just for looks anymore as it was when my living room was formal. We were going to be using this couch on a daily basis, watching TV and so on, so I wanted to make sure that it was comfy but cute at the same time. So when 25 Home reached out to me, I got so excited because I saw so many cute furniture pieces on their site. I ended up choosing the Gullichsen, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, comfy cotton linen sofa. I got it in light gray in their largest size, which is the 5-seater. And y'all, I am obsessed. When I say that the quality is amazing, the quality is amazing. And I know that the sofa will serve me for years. Because of the modern cut, it may look like it isn't soft as it is, but it is extremely soft with down filling and high density sponge, and it feels really fluffy and bouncy when you sit on it. Like, I love it. Even after sitting on it for a long time, it quickly recovers to the original shape, and it's no sagging or deep wrinkling at all. It has a solid wood frame and is super durable.